Hello viewers, welcome to the TV on YouTube. My name is Adibola. On today, continue for season by Niger Agency year 2024. Still on North Central Political Zone are states: Benue State, Federal Capital Territory, Kogi State, Kwara State, State. Instead of all these states in northern, and now I'm on Niger State. Niger State have Agale with its head Agale. Rain is 12th May and the rain will 10th November. In Kwara local government headquarters at the onset of rain 6 and by October 26. Niger, we have Bida with its Bida in this local government since May 2020. The rain will cease in 2022. Niger State is Bogu local with its headquarters local government. The rain is June and the rain will stop 9/20. In Niger, we have local government headquarters at New Bus. In Bogu local, the set June 1 stop by October 2024. In Bozo local Niger State, Paiko, the rate of rain is 24 and the rain will stop 2024. Niger State, Chaga local government headquarters at Mina. The onset of the Chaga is May 20. The rain will stop 2024. In government headquarters at New in a is 13th May and the rain will 9th November. In Gbako in Niger State headquarters at the onset of rain and the rain will 7th November. Urara local government its headquarters in power. Rain is May and the onset of rain and the, by November 7th. Tongora local which is headquarters by May and the rain will stop 10/2020. Local government starts at Wushishi. Set of rain is 50 and the rain will stop 8/20. In my government in Niger with its headquarters Agama, will be 21st. Rain will stop by 2024. Aringa local in headquarters at the onset of rain local government starts at Mokwa. The rate of rain is 50, and the rain will stop 20. For your information, we have to Mokwa local government. Its headquarters at the onset of rain, and the rain will November 2020. We have local government. In local government, waters at Kagara, the onset of rain, and the rain 1st October. The next is Rijau, quarters at Rijau. The onset of rain is, and the rain will stop by which is May 26, by November 1, 24. Government in Niger State with TV. Like and subscribe.